Oh,
This is a Corallus hortulanus.
Corrales
Hortulanus.
Hortalano.
Yes,
Corrales
Amazon
Hortalano.
tree boa. This is kind of arboreal snakes. Look at that. Qué belleza, huh? There's a boa family. They're not poison. Just climb trees and live mostly on the trees for hunting little prey. Can be a bird, probably a mice. Yeah, it's gonna rolling up there. It's running up there. But the color is incredible.
So, oh, this is neat. So now you can see how they relax
Yeah.
when they don't want to move.
Underneath. Look at that.